Sir, that is so disrespectful.
Just another night, I was feeling fine. Insane playing bye. Then we finally kissed, I was like, oh shit. Boy, I had to try, I can't even lie. Didn't really think you'd change my mind. But what can you do? I guess I needed to. Yeah.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. So today it's like staring at me. So today I'm going to be doing a clean with me video. I think you guys have requested this video before in the past, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I am going to be cleaning my home. We do have some family guests arriving this weekend, so I just want to make sure the home is nice and fresh. I'm fortunate enough that I don't really have to deep clean my home anymore. We do have a cleaning service that comes in and deep cleans for us, and all I really have to do is just upkeep the cleaning in between the times that they're here. So I'm just going to take you guys through my little steps and show you how I clean and maintain my home, especially with this handsome little guy right here. It is so can I talk to the people? Thanks. Especially with this guy. He is a short-haired dog, but he does shed just a little bit, and so there's hair around the house. And one of the biggest concerns I had when getting a pet was my house smelling like I own the pet. So I'm very careful to make sure my house remains clean, so that when people enter the house and when we enter the house, it smells nice and fresh. So I'm gonna go through my little cleaning routine with you guys and kind of show you what I do. So let's jump right in. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with laundry. So I'm gonna go down to my guest bedroom because that's where the guests are gonna be, and I'm just gonna kind of get their laundry, change the bed, and make sure that everything is nice and clean. So I'm gonna try to get this room kind of ready first. So this is what it looks like right now. This pretty much is identical, if you guys remember the setup that I had in my apartment before I moved into the house. This is that setup completely in our guest bedroom. So what I'm going to do today is, let me turn on the light, it's so dark in here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, is this better? Yeah. So what I'm going to do is change this out. I have my best friend visiting, and I know she likes pink and blush, so the bed remained pink and blush. But now we have someone that I don't know what color they like, so I'm going to change everything to something very neutral. So I'm going to do that now. So this is our room. That's the dirty clothes pile. That's what I'm about to start working on. Bed is made. Good. And then I just went over here and assessed my beauty room. It doesn't need much. It's still clean from the deep cleaning.
Oh, wait, what's your name again? Wayne?
Just another night, I was feeling fine. Insane playing bye. Then we finally kissed, I was like, oh shit. Boy, I had to try, I can't even lie. Didn't really think you'd change my mind. But what can you do? I guess I needed to. Yeah. I'm feeling really into you. It's not like I wanted to, but I just wanna be with you tonight. You were like, hello, and I was like, oh no. I'm used to flying solo. I'm in trouble now. Now I'm singing like, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la. No, I don't wanna fight what I feel. For the first time it feels so real. Take a part of me. Take my heart, make it ours, we can let it be. Hold me in your arms and make me feel like I'm the only one. Cause I just need to be with you tonight. You were like, hello, and I was like, oh no. I'm used to flying solo. I'm in trouble now. Now I'm singing like, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la. wasn't. You thought that it would last, but I didn't. Then I did it. Yeah, I did it. I started catching feels for you. I started catching feels for you. I started catching feels for you. Now I'm singing like ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Now I'm singing like ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. You were like hello, 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 and I was like oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now. Got a case of FOMO, FOMO, FOMO. Cause I don't wanna let go, let go, let go. Just keep it on the down low, down low, down low. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now.
I have my last load going there. Alright, come here, guys. Let's go ahead and close this door. I give him baths in my beauty room. So, oh, you in here? Usually he won't even come in here. Great, great start.
Oh, wait, what's your name again? Wayne?
Just another night.
So this is what I use to give him baths. I love this shampoo. Works really, really, really well. I like it. I like it a lot. And then I really, really like this conditioner. I got this from, I want to say, Home Goods. It's really good.
I'll be with you tonight. You were like hello, 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 and I was like oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now. Now I'm singing like ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. No, I don't wanna fight what I feel. For the first time it feels so real. Take a part, take a part, take a part of me. Take my heart, make it ours, we can let it be. Hold me in your arms and make me feel like I'm the only one. Cause I just need to be with you tonight. You were like hello, 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 and I was like oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now. Now I'm singing like ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Now I'm singing like ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Thought that it'd be good for a minute. Thought that it'd be fast, but it wasn't. You thought that it would last, but I didn't. Then I did it. Yeah, I did it. I started catching feels for you. I started catching feels for you. I started catching feels for you.
Alright guys, I am finally done cleaning for the day. So much has been going on. Am I the only one who needs like a hot shower or a cold shower, just anything? After I clean, I feel so gross and dirty. I just need to take a shower. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm gonna jump in the shower, scrub off oil up, and I'm gonna go have me some good dinner. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Make sure you let me know down below if you would like more clean with me's. Hopefully my next clean with me will be a little bit more better, make more sense. That would be great. But yeah, if you would like more clean with me's, let me know down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys in my next one. Look at my little raggedy braids, my little raggedy. I must be the only black girl in the world who can't braid. Bye.
Just another night, I was feeling fine. Insane playing bye bye bye. Then we finally kissed. I was like, oh shit, shit.